Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be setting up my beauty room. As some of you may know, we just bought this home in January, so we've been slowly moving in, and I've finally gotten around to setting up this room. So here I'm setting up the clothes racks that I bought from IKEA. Once I was done setting up the clothes racks, I started to pick up all the trash around the room and then also started to rearrange all the clothes and everything that was laying around. So as you can see, it is now nighttime, and the reason for that is because when I bought these pink curtain panels, I didn't realize that only one panel came in each pack, so I had to go back to the store and buy another panel for the windows. Here I'm starting to move my clothes from my old clothes rack to the new ones that I had bought, and the new ones are actually much more sturdier and much more nicer. And just a heads up, you guys, you're actually going to see me move these racks several times because I could not make up my mind where I wanted them. So later on in the video, you're going to see how indecisive I was in this whole process. And here I'm setting up the big, huge mirror that I got from IKEA, which I also end up moving around a few times. And let the undecisiveness begin. I literally contemplated for so long back and forth because I could not decide where I wanted to put everything. But it turned out nice in the end. You'll see. So once I moved everything around a bajillion times and I finally decided where I wanted my clothes racks, I started to hang up all the clothes. I didn't want to put anything too bulky right by the door, so I bought this little bookshelf that I thought was perfect for all my little knickknacks and my glasses, perfumes, and stuff like that. And now it's time to clean my very messy vanity. And speaking of messy, I do want to film a video cleaning my makeup brushes, so let me know if that's something that you guys would like to see. So I found this Pinterest DIY hack online for your necklaces. I have a bunch of them that always end up either getting ruined or tangled because I just leave them laying around on the counter. So with this hack, all you need is a thumbtack board and thumbtacks. And all you do is line up your thumbtacks and then hang your necklaces from it. And it really helps prevent them from getting tangled, and it's easier for you to access them when you want to put them on. Then I hung up this Hello Darling sign that I got from Hobby Lobby. I do want to add more wall decor. I just don't know what yet. Do you guys have any ideas, or what do you guys think would look nice? Then I went ahead and started to vacuum the room, and I actually just bought this Shark vacuum and I am loving it. And the last thing I did was set up the pink rug in the middle of the room. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you guys stick around for more future videos. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope I see you in my next one. Take care, you guys.